gotta pay the toll. $1.15. Y'all getting 1/4. And there's your quarter. All right. Now this isn't increasing your horsepower, but what it is doing is it's just making your throttle responses a lot better. And whenever you actually flooring it, you can actually feel like the throttle is wide open. So, hey, what's up, y'all? So I want to talk a little bit before I end the video. So I originally said that it doesn't increase your horsepower, which is still true, but it feels like the car has a chip in it. I mean, literally, it's almost night and day. You know, I'll be in manual sport mode, sport plus mode, and I'll turn my boost controller to race mode on level 9, and it just jerks the car so hard in a torque way. I mean, you can just feel the car pull so much harder. Doesn't it feel good? It's like a considerable difference with the controller on there. So it's not increasing your horsepower, but the throttle response and the way the motor feels almost feels like it's chipped. So, and also, you know, I got some really decent sized tires on my car, and they're made for summer tires, and they have grip on there. So when I turned it on and I was pulling out of a parking lot and I floored it in the same mode, manual, first gear, and sport mode, and then I had it in race mode on the actual sprint booster, like traction control was just trying to keep my tires on first and in second. I've never been able to floor this car and traction control keeps on for second. There was no gravel or loose, anything like that. This was straight road and the car was trying to break traction. So just want to update you before I end the video. So it's a legit buy. If you really want your GS 350 to wake up, definitely get you a sprint booster. I guarantee you'll like it. Also, when you're in economy mode, you can still have your booster on, and it actually it performs quite well. So it performs well in all modes, but definitely if you want to feel the best out of it, definitely put your car in sport mode and turn your booster to race mode, and you'll definitely enjoy the product. All right, y'all. Peace.